Hi guys, in this episode I'll show you how I added a bit more personality to my car with a set of custom puddle lights. The installation took just 2 minutes, but the end result is absolutely stunning. On top of that, I honestly believe that anyone who owns a business should consider something like this to help promote their brand. I don't personally own a business, but you have to admit that seeing my YouTube channel logo projected on the ground looks absolutely insane. I bought these custom puddle lights from a company based in the USA with a very intuitive name, Custom Puddle Lights. Their website is called exactly the same. From the homepage you can browse products by your vehicle model or you can head over to the collection section. As you can see, they offer a wide range of ready-made designs, but they also provide a fully custom option, which is the one I chose. Inside the package you'll find a thank you card along with this postcard featuring a 10% discount code. You'll also find another exclusive discount code in the video description and pinned comments that I arranged specifically for my viewers. This is the box containing the puddle lights, also known as courtesy lights. It even includes a small tool that allows you to replace the projection lens later if you ever decide to change the logo. They retain the original red door warning light that alerts approaching traffic when the door is open, while also adding a logo projector on the underside. On the back you'll find a connector that's identical to the factory one, along with a metal heatsink for improved cooling. Of course, I purchased a pair. Unfortunately, my car doesn't have courtesy lights in the rear doors, otherwise I probably would have bought 4. Now let me show you just how simple the installation is. All you'll need is a basic trim removal tool to avoid scratching the plastic while removing the original lights. The connector most likely has a locking tab that needs to be pressed before you can unplug it. Next, take one of the custom puddle lights and connect the factory connector. That's it, it starts working immediately. It's still daylight because I wanted you to clearly see every step of the installation, so the logo isn't very visible yet. However, I can already tell you that the light output is incredibly bright and the level detail is far beyond what I expected. The installation on the other side is exactly the same, so I won't go through it again. Instead, let's take a look at the final result. The projection is much brighter than I expected. Keep in mind that it's only dusk and there's still plenty of daylight outside, yet you can already see the logo perfectly. Technology has improved a lot in this area. A few years ago I installed a similar set on my previous car, and honestly, even at night you could barely make out the logo. Those were indeed very cheap lights from AliExpress, so I didn't expect much, but it looks like Custom Puddle Lights really delivers high quality products. All of my friends were genuinely impressed when they saw my new accessory, even though at first they thought it might look a little cheesy. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think they're tacky or do you think they're actually worth it? Personally, I think they're a fantastic way to promote a brand. They definitely stand out and are guaranteed to catch people's attention. And at night they look even more impressive. The logo is clearly visible from a distance, so I'm genuinely very happy with this purchase. As I mentioned earlier, you'll find the seller's link and an exclusive discount code in the description below. Until next time, I wish you safe roads and all the best.